don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. 2, don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning, and if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count them.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make an Oreo crush'em or Oreo milkshake, and we're going to need milk, Oreos, ice cream, chocolate sauce and cream and ice to make it, and here's the first step of making it. So to make 2 or 3 cups you're going to need 4 Oreos, and I've got a masher to mash mashed potatoes, but I'm doing it to crush these Oreos because that's the only way that I can actually do it at home. So that's all you do, and you keep mashing it until all of it's into little tiny bits. Now that all the Oreos are crushed, you're going to want to put it into your blender. And the next step is put some ice in. I wouldn't suggest too many, but maybe about a handful, so about 3 or 4 ice cubes, and maybe a bit some those crushed up ices that you find in ice packs, so not too much ice. And then the next step is pouring the milk in there. I don't really put much of measurements because sometimes it's not enough, so I just put in probably about half or something like that of the blender, so just over half. So it's easier to mix, because with the ice and ice cream and the Oreos sometimes it does struggle to mix. This is normal vanilla ice cream. It doesn't really matter what price it is or anything like that, so I would suggest about, if you have a scoop, then probably 3 to 4, because I like a lot of ice cream so it's nice and cold and it's not too runny. So I'm just going to probably put a few, because it's going to take a while. I don't have an ice cream scoop, and I'll show you when it's all in there. And now it's all in there. As I said, I put about 3 to 4 scoops in there, but with the tablespoon I just put a whole big chunk in there, so not too much, not too little, I would suggest. And then the next step is blend it. I would suggest about blending it about a minute, and that's all done. So we're going to pour it into our cup now. And that's the Oreo crush'em, and if you want to add cream and chocolate, all you need to do is to add that on. And there we go. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I am Barbie Colour, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!